Can you see that, David?
Yep.
Today we were working on a solar-powered light that would live outside, that would partially illuminate a rear staircase that we have. And so in this particular group I have 3 students, 2 that were here physically in the shop and 1 that was down in Blacksburg.
Right.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I'm basically with them through every step, and like while they're working on the wood shopping, they literally set me down while they're like doing all the things. Just like kind of like an observer, but also like a team member at the same time.
We were testing.
It's really helpful to be so close to the WAAC and like have opportunities for in-person learning. It just in terms of sort of separating kind of where you live and sort of where you work.
It's not terrible being over virtual. I was still able to be part of the team, give my input. Even though I wasn't able to do hands-on stuff, I was more able to do like the research behind the projects.
It's been a really good experience. I really enjoy coming in each day, and I can't really imagine doing anything else.